In this video, I'm going to show you how you can stop alerts or pop-up notifications from your Adobe Express app. So if you've been receiving a lot of notifications from this app, the best thing to do is to go ahead and turn them off. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking my video and also by subscribing to my channel. All right, let's get into it. Now, the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and access the app information page for this app. To do that, it is quite simple. Just head over to settings on your smartphone, and from this, scroll down until you find this option called apps. Now, under apps, go ahead and look for manage apps or all apps, and then this will go ahead and list all the apps that you have on your smartphone. Now, for this tutorial, I'm using a Redmi smartphone. However, this process should be more or less the same on Android smartphone. Now, from here, go ahead and search for your app, and as you can see, my app is here. You can also search for your app using the search function here. Once you find it, go ahead and tap on it, and you can see we are on the app information page, and this is where we shall apply our settings from. However, if you can't get this page, then let me show you a shortcut method to get here. For that, just go back and then look for your app, and once you find your app, go ahead and long press on it, and from this you'll be able to see these three functions: share, app info, and uninstall. Go ahead and tap on the second one, which is app info, and it will take you to the same page. Now here, look for the section called permissions, and under permissions, look for the option called notifications. Currently, you can see they are turned on, and that's why you have been receiving those pop-up notifications from this app. Now, to turn off all these notifications, just go ahead and toggle off these show notifications, and this will put an end to all notifications that you have been receiving. From now henceforth, you will never again receive any pop-up notification from this app. So if you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.